Here is the app called Find My Kids Location Tracker, Child Monitoring by GPS. So, there are a bunch of apps like Life 360, some other ones. But this is also a nice one. Find out what your child is doing during the day. Listen to their surroundings if they don't hear your calls. Turn low power mode on. Monitor your child's app usage. Ring the loud bell on their phone if it's muted. Your child's data is always safe. Get updates on your child's location. Get alerts when their battery is low. So quite a nice app, specifically focused on kids. So it's not like for all family members. Of course, you can use for your friends as well, but this is mostly for your kids. If your kids go to school, to kindergarten, you can just track them, and you have the security controls, battery checks, family chats, loud signals. Install Find My Kids on your phone. Choose which device you want to connect, phone or GPS watch. Allow child observation in the app on the child's phone, or input the number of 4 as the GPS watch SIM card. So yeah, that's what it is. When your kid doesn't answer calls, then there is nice onboarding here. And then you have this notification when the kid entered school. And then this app wants to send you critical alerts. And then also you can see like that your kid is actually using a lot of phone, which apps your kid is using, and you can see, all right, so during the school, my kid spent a lot of time on YouTube, which is not that great. And then your kid is not answering the phone. Let's make sure everything is okay. And then you can just listen to what's happening around your kid, so you can see what's going on. You can also send a loud signal, something like that. And then you need to connect your kid's phone, connect GPS watch or Apple Watch, buy a GPS watch, or join the family. So here, then you just get started and connect your, create your account and follow all the steps. So quite a cool app. Just give it a try.